A very sad one, my people. Finally, Boko Haram have landed Igbo Land. As I dey talk to you now, the market when dey between Anambra State and Imo State, Boko Haram don enter the market, bomb the market. Dem bomb the market as I dey talk to you. Our mothers and our fathers and our families are in danger. A lot of souls, a lot of people lost their souls in thousands, my people, as I dey talk to you. I wan just give you this video. Just take your time and watch this video to see whether if your loved one is among all these dead bodies. Yes, it's a very sad one. It's a very sad one, my people. They have finally come. One man is Nnamdi telling us that these people have surrendered Igbo Land, and you people think say we are just joking. You equip Igbo Land, sponsor the securities, let everybody be well vigilant about what is coming. And people, they say, catch him, catch him. Now they don't catch him now. He's there for inside prison for many years now. Now look at it. It's happening in our present eye. My people, I want to live now here, make now watch up. The worst part of it is say this news, you know, go hear them anywhere. That is why we keep doing all we do here to keep our people updated for what that is happening around us. It's very sad one, my people. Take your time while you watch the video because it has been detailed in the layman understanding. The past culture, our own brother culture, have the real detail of what transpired from this incident. Let's watch.
Good evening, everyone. Wednesday, the 25th day of June, 2025 is today. You see, there is a video that I am going to share with you. At the end of this video, I will tell you how to access this video, because if I should show the video now on the screen, if I upload it on YouTube, definitely I'm going to have a community, guidelines, right? Of which I might not be able to upload videos for 1 week. It's all about the bombing in Anambra State. This is not the first time. Last 2 months, we had a bomb incident close to Head Bridge in Onitsha. This one now is happening in Ako Baheze, Idemiri. There is a total filling station in Ihianda. It's a very popular filling station because it's on the road and it's very big. If you are going to Ono Road in Osun local government area, talking about Anambra State, there is a market along that road. This market was bombed. The video you are going to watch, you will see dead bodies, you will see blood. I am thinking of this. You see, there is a problem, a big problem, not just in Nigeria. There is a big problem in our states collectively, in our local governments. There is a big problem with our politicians. I waited for almost 16 hours after receiving this information. I waited for 16 to 18 hours before coming to camera to say this because it is not on the news. Anambra State government, no press statement, nothing. If you see dead bodies, if you see blood, there is a big problem. A very, very big problem. Now, the investigation in Anambra State sometimes is very hard to do because you don't even see people who will honestly tell you this and this and this and gives you direction. It's very hard to do. But the best that we could, there is an alleged information that the people that are doing all this condemn iron, that they are the one that brought this bomb to the markets. And they came as early as 4 a.m. They drop it. And they waited for people to come to market before they detonated it. And people died. People died. Women selling meat, they died. Anambra State. And I learned it was sponsored by Boko Haram. So Boko Haram literally bombed Anambra State. It's not on the news. You see the reason why we do what we do, the reason why we are trying our best to bring out information that you can see on the media is because there is a deliberate attempt to make sure that this agenda, this push to take over states, to take over communities will not be on the global stage. It is very clear, it is very pure. Now, I did not go to this place myself. I did not go there to interview people that are there. This information was brought to me. The videos was sent to me. I only tried my best to, to verify what really transpired that led to this explosion. Who are the people that are responsible for this? I waited to hear from the police. They even brought one of the number of the station close to there. Or I were forced to confirm what transpired could not avail. We are living in a very dangerous time. A very dangerous time. People, woke up in the morning, they went to market yesterday. Their crime is that they were born and brought up from a country that does not value human lives. And they went to the market, they met death. That is it. Suicide, I will not call it a suicide bomber because someone who detonated the bomb did not die with them. They dropped the bomb, they timed the bomb, or someone who came to press the remote was in the market there. Watching these people is so scary. It's so scary. Watching them is so scary. But I want you to, after this video, I want you to go to the comment section. There is a link there to a drive. That is where I put the video so that you can have access to it, watch it, because it's not it's not everything we can bring to the social media, especially YouTube. So YouTube does not allow us to share all those sensitive content. But this is heartbreaking. Even as I'm speaking to you now, I'm still imagining these people are everywhere. These people are everywhere. So where is safe now? The marketplace, the church, everywhere, nowhere is safe any longer. So where would people find refuge? I think these people in Osun local government, they have a local government chairman, no report. They have a House of Assembly member, no report. House of Rep member, Senate representing them. What is going on? They have a governor of Soludo. What is going on? Udogachi, all those people, what are they doing? This is bomb in the market in Anambra State. Anyway, it is what it is. I want you to just go to that Google Drive and watch this video. It's heartbreaking.
What pains me most is that these people told us that they are going to bring, after buying enough weapons, they'll bring all those that have been put in disarray or driven away from Zamfara, Katsina, Zambisa Forest, that they are all coming to locate themselves in Igbo Land, that there's no security in Igbo Land, that they will come there and then they will deal with us. And that the dumb man was just flippant. Maybe he took something. He said, do you know Ibadan? Lagos Expressway? We are in all the bush there. We're everywhere there. We're also in the south. So we are waiting for the slightest signal. We will finish you people and take over this land. So they claim that Nigeria belongs to Fulani. They said it. That is why we are afraid of, I've been talking about this open grazing and this Roga. They have a plan. They have a plan. And I accuse the soldiers who are not non-Christians. Some of them are Fulani. They are part of it. Because they are shooting these men. When our people wanted to comb the bush, the soldiers said, if you move a step, we'll finish you. Don't go there. So they know where the boys are. They know the location. And what they do is in the daytime, they use their cow to confuse people. Then after some time, the cows will go to rest and they take their gun and do the operation of kidnapping. Government should act decisively. They should act decisively. Otherwise, what is happening in the northern part of the country will be a child's play to what will happen here. So government should sit up, because the primary purpose of government is to secure life and property. Any government that has failed in that has failed woefully. And Nigeria is on a reverse gear. We are nosediving. We are nosediving. We don't have security. All the bush, we went around, no soldier, no police, nothing. The people, were having a field there. And where they released us was, if they kidnap people along Isukwato, they will parade them round, and there, when they pay ransom, they are released from that particular spot. Those they arrest, they kidnap along Enugu, expressway, Log Banta. They bring them. Eventually, they bring them there to collect ransom. Those they kidnap along anywhere in the south, around the southwest. So they know that they are there. And I guess that when I said to the Oga, how do you collect this money? He said, don't worry. Once we are through with you, we will invite motorcyclists. They will come and there will be a truck. A truck will come to put the money in the truck. And that the people who paid them said that was exactly what happened. Immediately they came out from the bush. They told them they were monitoring whether there is police or army. They said, go up. Okay, come back, come this way. And then eventually they stopped. A truck came without number. So the boys will carry one Ghana must go, put in the truck until they took the 100,000. After they have counted 100 million, they said, okay, you